Hello and welcome to a video from ShopIntegrator.com. In this video I'll give you a quick introduction to our latest WordPress plugin and its new features. This allows you to turn a WordPress site into an online shop in a number of easy steps. In order to download the WordPress plugin, you can go to ShopIntegrator.com and look for the WordPress logo in the sidebar and click it. That will take you to the plugin information page, which will explain all about the plugin and provide you with a download link which you can click. That will download the WordPress plugin zip file, and it will also explain the steps you need to go through in order to get this to work on your WordPress site. The first and most important step is to make sure you've got a ShopIntegrator account. If you haven't got one, you can get a 30-day free no obligation trial by clicking the Getting Started Free button here, and that will only take a few minutes. And it will also explain how you can install the plugin into your site, and you can either install it via the WordPress dashboard, or you can do a manual install if you want using FTP. The easiest way to install the plugin is via the WordPress dashboard. Go into the plugins section, click in Add New, click Upload, and then browse to the zip file that you downloaded from ShopIntegrator.com and run through the short installation wizard. When that's successful, your plugin should be listed under your installed plugins with a particular version, and you may need to click the Activate button if it isn't already activated. If you read the readme.txt file within the zip file that you downloaded, it will explain how you can upgrade the plugin if you've got a previous version already installed. If you're installing this for the first time, make sure you remember that once you've installed it, to go to Settings, ShopIntegrator Ecommerce, and to enter your client code into this text box. If you don't enter a valid client code in that text box, the plugin features will not work. And remember to click Save Changes. Here's a demo site running WordPress that has the ShopIntegrator plugin already included. You can see a number of ShopIntegrator components have already been included on this site, including this Add to Basket button here for this product, and also a listing of products in a particular category. And also under this item, these items of information here are also ShopIntegrator plugins. And also we've got components in the site sidebar, such as this currency control, which is new for this version of the plugin, the ability to sell an individual item, and a checkout button that would allow the visitor to check out and complete their order. And the items in the sidebar can be easily added and configured using the WordPress dashboard. Taking a look at the dashboard, we can go to Appearance and Widgets, and this shows the three sidebar widgets that are made available by the ShopIntegrator plugin. There's Sell an Individual Product, View the Basket, and also the Currency Control, which is new. You can drag these over to the sidebar area here, which I've done before. So here are my three sidebar widgets, and by opening them up you can configure them. Now the View Basket widget has been enhanced so that you can have a bit more control over what appears in it, so you can choose to have either a button image or a standard text link, and you can also determine where the cart content details appear relative to that link or button. So you can have them on the top, on the bottom, or you can turn them off completely. New for this version of the plugin, you can also specify a custom style sheet class that you can choose what it's called. I've just chosen this name here, and this will enable you to better control the appearance of that widget within your sidebar. You can also do it for the currency control, and I've defined a custom class here called SI widget currency. And what you can do quite easily is head over to Appearance and Editor, and this allows you to edit the style sheet for your current theme. Scroll through all the existing stuff, which you can ignore, And then right at the bottom, what I did was to define a style sheet setting for those two classes for my two widgets. And what I've done here is just use them to add some basic padding to those controls. So this basically just gives the basket widget a bit of space at the top, and for the currency control this gives it a bit of space on the top and bottom but nothing on the edge. And then you can update that file, and back on your site those styles have enabled a bit of space around this widget here that wasn't there before, and you can add various other effects such as borders and colours, etc. using that technique. The other thing we've also added is around these components here. These are now wrapped in a style as well, including these list components here. And what you'll be able to do in your dashboard once again is, if you go to Appearance and Editor, certain components now have specific styles associated with them. So for example, the interactive add component that you saw previously, I have styled using this class here, and I've set it to float right, and I've given it a bit of margin. And the category listing, which is this class here, I've been able to give that a bit of padding as well. And what you'll see in the shop is this component here now floats right of the main article, which is this picture and this text. So it's always going to float over to the right hand side of the article, which is the effect I was after for this demonstration. But you would be free to adjust that styling to get the effect you wanted. And the various other components you can add on the page can also have that level of control applied to them as well, so that you can better achieve the effects you're looking for on your site. So to summarise, in the new version we've added the new currency control sidebar widget, enhanced the basket widget with a few more options, added the ability to style the sidebar widgets, and also added the ability to better style the category list and the interactive add by components. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please remember to click the like button, and if possible share with your friends and family on your favourite social networking sites. Thank you.